I guess the spark plug tube seal within the valve cover gasket is not working well. Therefore, there engine oil all over the spark plug area in the chamber area. So I need to disconnect the battery. You're going to remove the four 10 millimeters. Take that out, and you remove the spark plugs. Set them aside. Now remove all these, and to get to these two, you need to disconnect the alternator, and there's a 10 millimeter at the connector there, right here. Disconnect it and set the wire harness aside. Then you continue removing the 10 millimeter all around. And once you got all the 10 millimeter out, don't forget this little guy right here, the grommet that's sitting between the valve cover and the head. You see this thing? Now, I want to use a screwdriver. Get a tiny leverage on the engine and slightly pray it a little bit. It should come out. It shouldn't be too hard. And here's how you remove, unplug your breather valve here, and also the hose. Disconnect the hose over here, and you'll be able to lift the cover away from the car.